Lexus is more than just a premium brand. It's Toyota's entry into the high-end world, which means you get leather seats and premium comfort intertwined with legendary Japanese engineering. And the king of that reliability hill? The Lexus ES. But here's the catch. Not every Lexus ES is created equal. Some years are bulletproof, lasting 300,000 miles, while others, well, let's just say they have a sticky reputation. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the best year for Lexus ES 350 and the ES lineup. We're skipping the ancient history of the early 90s and focusing on the most reliable models you can actually find on the market today. Let's get to it. Number 4, the Stay Away Zone, the 5th generation. Before we talk about the gems, we have to talk about the one generation that might give you a headache. If you are looking for the best used option, you need to be careful with the 5th generation, specifically the early years. The 2007 model year is statistically the most complained about ES in history, having more than double the reported problems of the runner-up. While this generation introduced that punchy 3.5-liter V6, owners reported transmission issues, rough shifting, missing gears, and unintended acceleration. Plus, this era was hit hard by the Takata airbag recalls. And if you care about your interior, watch out for the melting dashboard issue, where the dash becomes sticky, shiny, or cracks in the sun. However, not all is lost for this generation. By the time Lexus hit the facelift years of 2010 to 2012, they fixed almost everything. In fact, the 2010 to 2012 models are considered the crowning achievement of this era, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability score from Consumer Reports. So if you want this body style, stick to the later years. Number 3. The budget heroes, the classics. Now, what if you don't have $30,000 to spend? What if you need a reliable car for $6,000 or $8,000? Do not sleep on the classics. We have to shout out the 1997 model. It's affordable and owners regularly report hitting 200,000 or even 300,000 miles. Just watch out for O2 sensors and ignition coils. Simple fixes for a car this cheap. And we can't forget the 2000 to 2005 era, specifically the 2005 model. It scored a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability and customer satisfaction. Owners describe these cars as some of the best vehicles they've ever owned. If you find a low-mileage 2005 ES, buy it. It is the definition of a diamond in the rough. Number 2, the modern era. 2019 to present. But maybe you want the latest tech. You want Apple CarPlay, advanced safety systems, and that sharp, aggressive new look. That brings us to the 7th generation, starting in 2019. This generation gives you more options than ever. A V6, a 4-cylinder, and a hybrid. It's also the first ES to offer all-wheel drive. Reliability is still top tier, but there was a small hiccup. The 2019 model had some complaints regarding fuel pumps and engine hesitation, mostly related to recalls that have likely been fixed by now. But generally, the newer, the better. Here is a pro tip for you audiophiles and tech geeks. If you still have a massive collection of CDs, look for a 2022 model. It's a great balance of modern features, but retains the previous infotainment setup that includes a CD player. But if you hate trackpads and want the latest touchscreen experience, you have to go for the 2023 model. It dropped the frustrating touchpad interface for a much better system. It's the best year for Lexus ES 350 if budget is no issue and tech is your priority. Number 1, the golden era, 2013 to 2018. Now, let's move to what many experts consider the sweet spot. If you are typing best year Lexus ES 350 into Google, this is usually where you end up, the 2013 to 2018 generation. This generation blends reliability with a much sportier handling feel. It's no longer just a couch on wheels, it's actually engaging to drive. Every single model in this generation received the CR recommended badge. But if you want the absolute best of the bunch, you want to look at 2017 and 2018. The 2017 model crushed it in JD Power ratings. The 2018 model is widely recommended for its value because it was the last year of the platform, meaning Lexus had ironed out every single kink. It's rock-solid consistency with minimal owner complaints. If you want a reliable daily driver that feels modern but won't depreciate like a rock, a 2017 or 2018 ES350 is arguably the smartest money you can spend in the luxury sedan market right now. Luxury doesn't have to be unreliable. With the ES, you get to have your cake and eat it too. Which generation of the ES is your favorite? Do you prefer the classic town car feel or the modern sportiness? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense car reviews. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.